Hello friends, my name is Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friends, today I'm going to show you how to install extension in your Google Chrome. So keep watching. In this tutorial I will guide you step by step things how you can install extension and how you can remove extension from your Google Chrome browser. So keep watching. So friend, first of all I'm going to open my Google Chrome browser. This is my Google Chrome browser. And here I'm going to explain you what is extension first. So friend, extension is a facility if you want to use any third-party tool. Like here you can see many tools are available, and when I click here, for example this TubeBuddy, actually I'm using this TubeBuddy extension, so this is available over here. And right now I'm going to show you how you can install other extension into your Google Chrome browser. So what you will do, simply click on this three dot icon which is available on top. Click here, and now you can go here, more tools, and then click this extensions. And when you click extensions, then here you will get all the details. This type of extension if installed into your system, then you can see over here. For example, right now this is my another extension which already I have installed into this. Just simply here if you click enable, then this extension will enable automatically like this. Okay, so this extension you can enable from here. And if you want to remove the extension, then what you will do, here I have this extension. If I want to remove it, then what I will do, simply click here this remove button, and this extension will remove. So now I'm going to show you how you can search extension and you can install it into your Google Chrome. Then how you can do that? Simply search on Google Chrome extensions, and friend, you will automatically available on list. You can see Google extension web store. Just click here, and here you can see many things are available. Here this is the popular extensions are available, so you can use. This is the Zoom extension. If you want to do online meetings like that, then you can use this extension. And here I'm going to use the another extension like speed test extension. Okay, this is provided by Ookla. So here I'm going to add and click here this add extension. This is taking some time to review all the code, and then this will install into. So friend, you can see this extension is installed now, and here I'm going to check how it will work. So what I will do, just click on this extension, and this facility is open through this extension. When I click here, then this extension will check my internet speed. So here I can check very easily, not need to open any website over there. Just simply install the extension into your Google Chrome, and you can perform your query which you want to use all the time. Okay, so friend, this is the main way where you can search. Here you can easily search the extension and install into your Google Chrome browser. One thing I want to share with you guys, if you are using Google Chrome browser, I personally suggest you don't use more extension into your Google Chrome because it will slow your browser. Here if you want to use some extension into your Google Chrome, then you can do very easily. But if you are using more and more extension into your Google Chrome, that will slow down your Google Chrome. So you may use only some extension for your work. And friend, here I'm going to show you, this is the installed this extension. Let me check it once again. Speed, and now this extension is installed into my system. Right now I'm going to remove this extension. Then what you will do, simply click here with the right click over here on this icon, and then you can see remove from Chrome. And if you not want to use this extension and not you want to remove this extension, then what you will do, simply click here hide in Chrome menu. So this extension will available into this, but it will hide. Okay, so friend, this one method to you can remove from here, or you can easily remove from this URL chrome://extension. So land into this page. So simply here you can find out that extension. So friend, you can see over here. So if you want to deactivate this extension, just click over here, so this extension will deactivate. Or if you want to remove this extension from the Google Chrome, simply click the remove button and then click on the remove button. Then this extension will remove from your Google Chrome. So friend, this is the tutorial I want to share with you guys, how you can easily install Google extension into your Google Chrome browser. So this is the tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on this like button and share with your friends and family, so they can also learn about these things, how to install extension into Google Chrome. And friend, if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you answer. And if you have any suggestion or like that, you can ask me in comment section, so I can improve myself. And friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, because I am uploading this type of tutorials every week. So friend, once again, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me.